So we see the video from my feed not too long ago. And as you can see in the title. Let me say, Young Blue's wife goes off after woman goes viral on TikTok for claiming that he flew her out. Yo. I tell us, yo, I can't even make up them together. I swear. But we don't waste no time still. We are going now. So before we even get to the wife part, because as you can see in the title, I like them myself. I talk about the young lady's story and the build up, how it even reach here so before the wife can even react to it. And then we'll react to it.
My tongue video went viral, and I'm talking my DMs was going crazy, left and right, left and right, left and right. So this celebrity slides in my DMs. I'm about to show y'all the video of my tongue that went viral first, and then after that we're gonna proceed to the rest of the story. So y'all check out the video that went viral.
Yeah, man. Young Blue definitely said that and say he want this laptop wet like a mop.
Okay, cool. That video goes viral. After that, he slides in my DMs. About to show y'all him sliding in my DMs right here.
So she make a post on IG. You see the post on her story. He slide up and was automatically in a DM that again. He say hard. She replied the next morning and say, "Thanks, boy, I try." Now the first thing you do, the dog go ask me if she go follow back. LOL. Yo, brother, you used to woman. John was star. When man them there in the comment section. Bad man, even a regular man know this. And you as an artist, that's the first thing you do. Dog go follow B. Now say I can't follow B, but dog go ask B if she not follow back. Bro, that's the response what she get after that. Make her know say, yo brother, are you did friend? The girl said, "Duh, it's you of course. I love your music, so soft and something different for the ladies. I love to see it." What that tell us? But man, even the girl I say like, what you mean if I follow you back? Like brother, you're an artist. What you mean? Right, that's what automatically you come off like a thirsty one.
Alright y'all, so I'm about to do a story time on this C-list celebrity that flew me out. I wasn't going to say his name at first because my girlfriend was all like, "Oh, don't say his name." But my thing is this. I'm not exposing him because what's there to expose?
So after that the dog reply I say, "LOL, appreciate you. You seem hella cool. We might got a link sometime." Dog gonna try to do it in a while like when kind of the cover and chat them kind have a wife and thing. By the way, yeah, just make that be known. You have a wife, see? So the dog say, "We might got a link sometime." So I just want to go sort of way in the first encounter and I DM them if say, you know. And then he say, "Boy, we did go do nothing, you know, but doesn't make she know at the same time to say, yo, yeah man, we have to go link and thing, but if this will come out, she can't say, yo, but they just run up well breeze and say, I could do this or do that." So, get why when I try though, but again, not the smoothest approach. Second of all, why as an artist, bro, you not have vanish mode on? That even makes sense. Like, forget about the wife and something. Let's say they're even single, bro. Why, yeah, message regular when a girl can just stay so boom, screenshot, have it as she have it, any as she please, if you put in another position where you're in her right now. The first L way I get, brother, but I'll continue.
Yada, 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 this, that. He told me that he was doing a soundtrack for Power in New York and that he wanted me to come with him to New York, you know, just so we could vibe out and, you know, I guess like hang out or whatever. So I'm like, bitch, the fuck? Yeah, like, it's a whole celebrity. The fuck? I'll be an idiot not the fuck to go. So I was getting myself together. Me and him was still texting. Me and him was still talking. I ended up posting up an old video of myself. He tells me he wants my hair to look like that, so he goes and pays for my hair. About to drop that screenshot right there because, yo, I ain't got nothing to fuck to lie about. So he pays for my hair. There, that goes right there. Okay, yeah, he paid for the hair to get done. Bam, there it is. After he pays for my hair to get done, girl, I get the hair done. My friend's like, "Bitch, you should have lied and told him it was a stack. You should have lied, bitch. I should have, child. I should have told that motherfucker that shit was $2 the fuck grand." But anyways,
left twice.
So we are giving my point, because as I heard you point out a while ago, I always have a one friend in the ears. I say, oh my girl, I hear that. So I tell the man, say, this is cost. So double money you should get a ray and I know. Why? Someone go make you bad for yourself. Yo, ever have some little dry eye, beer face somebody, you know, both man and woman, brother, because this happen in a both sexes, brother. I always go have somebody in there, easy to say, yo, you should have chopped somebody more and this and that and ray. Brother, if a man go time away, I think it's a go time away, man. You have the money and you look, girl. But if a man link you and say, yo, me pay for it and thing, and you send it, he say, yo, how much for it? And you send it across, and he send it back. Then, you see me? Yeah. Up until that point, they do, it look like everything about what the girl I say, genuine. Come and buy it. We don't take no one side all the way and say, yo, Ray, this out. We don't say, yo, she completely wrong or Blue completely right. You see me? I say, if then fuck up on either side, we are point you out. But as far as me can tell, look like she want to approach the thing genuinely going in up until that point. Yeah. Dog say, yo, do you hear so? She send across how much you do it, the dog send across the money. So far, so good. She never listen to a little lady that you made friend in her ears. But based on how everything turned out, Jano, he come like me, but she try to strap him for double the price of true because no man no left back now if you get for nobody.
As he's texting my phone before I get there, y'all know I'm very diverse with my style. This is where I'm trying to figure out what the fuck is you talking about. He texted me and told me, he said, yo, when you come out there, we gonna be on some drippy shit. So come on your little tomboy swag. Now I'm gonna keep it all the way 100. If I'm about to be with a celebrity, I was coming nails done, lashes done, hair done, yeah. It wasn't gonna be no nigga shit. But you told me to come down here on that tomboy shit. And I'm about to drop that fucking screenshot too. Bam. He told me to come down there on some tomboy shit. Cool, I did it.
Now this always start get weird. This man go to the girl say, yo, when I reach up and you have to go there on some drippy shit. Who not up to date with the lingo. You see me American people when they matter about drip, obviously they matter about their clothes and swag, you know, how they go look good or whatever. Dog say we go there on some drippy shit, so forward in your tomboy swag. At this I know I have to start say, yo, something really wrong with this youth. Something awful wrong with this youth. Cause why you tell a girl just like a tomboy for? Like, that is weird, bro. And that's why the woman always have the one that say if you don't buy curious or something, you know. Because me or a dog say, yo, and next dog watch the video say, yo, no man, I'm tell the girl that because you want when they go out and if, no, can't remember say I'm a celebrity. You want when they go out, if no camera for point on them, you can say, yo, you know, I don't see G that man or, you know, I don't see friend or area and thing. What? Brother, maybe that can work if you're a normal man. But that don't make no sense over here, so. He's a celebrity, brother. You see me, I say, maybe not an A-list celebrity, but celebrity nonetheless. Which sensible woman go by that story there? If I hear a woman that I hear that, oh yeah man, I just me G that man. Yeah, woman don't know of her, not like that. What? And furthermore, if I want to get seen with a girl, bro, then what the fuck I got a public place for? It's a matter about brother like it's a matter to say come like some man does weird when it come on to woman brother because some people don't remember say yo then celebrity are normal people too, you know what I'm saying, like before the money and fame and everything. So like if you did weird and goofy with woman before, the money not gonna change that, bro. You see me, I say something I wonder if I really that go on. Because if you already say yo you'll be seen out in public with a girl, why you and this girl I got some well mad public place like a basketball game and him something there. But we even get ahead of ourselves still. We'll continue with the video. But brother, you had too much. You see me I say? You had too much. I'm going to see how it makes sense further down the video, but if you went as a link a 1B, sliding our DM them as an artist, and it's a one chap you want to fight, because I must have to look, I can't want woman you look, you have a wife already and youth and you know. So why you do the bag of extraness, brother? Why you there? Yo, yeah, you can do ear and nails and them something about bro the girl even when they expect if you do a bag of, you know, go outside and ray and but man the girl are perfectly fine if you just gear a bag gear some money do her ear and nails and thing and chop him and send him on way, brother. That they might expect anyway from an artist.
Yo, what do that say? Okay. I just wanted y'all to see a few little screenshots before I get into the story time so y'all can understand because I'm a really good tourist storyteller and I need everybody to understand what the fuck is going on.
him said apparently, you know, our next picture him probably a comment panel. Maybe the girl mentioned my picture from before or he see it and send her and say, yo, we hear something similar to this. The girl even got as far as we say, yo, I'm glad to tell me still no artist car. You know, say, me did a forward ready for, you know. And I mean, with my girly stuff, drip out and thing here. The girl say for herself. She'll go to the artist, she'll go to celebrity shop, you know. She'll plan for, you know, drip down, brother. Ear and nails, pan fleek and thing, which is what I guess normal people that expect. You see me I say? Like most of the people that want to watch the video. A dog go tell the girl, say, no, man, I like that tomboy shit there. It's a town boy and the thing but on typo. I like that tomboy shit, the man, you know? That fresh. Again, bro. That's why people have to really wonder if someone is sussing at the situation here. But I never hear a man tell a next girl, say, yo, dress like a man. I like that. That me want to see. Especially if you not go out, brother. Which man tell a girl, say, yo. And I like some of the woman I kick it to you, tell the girl, say, you put on a big t-shirt or something, you know. Say, you know, right. And again, too, you plan a whole date right there, so, bro. It was strange. It's like, is a woman you look or you just a fly out a girl for chopping and send him on the way. It's like you just do so much better. Till all the girl confused.
Okay, cool. He texts my phone. He tells me that he calls me an Uber to the airport. Y'all, I'm thinking I'm about to go to the, Philadelphia International Airport. Y'all, he had me on a fucking PJ. I'm in a PJ. Ain't never been on a PJ before. I'm in that motherfucker like, ooh. About to drop that video too. Bam.
That's what I talk about. But I can't make up this, Girl say, yo, nigga text my phone. Tell me, say, call me an Uber. I'm thinking I'm on my way to Philadelphia International. This nigga calls me a PJ. People, PJ mean private jet. Even the young female confused as to what they go on. She said, hold on. This man that just meet me. Not even meet me yet. I go meet him. This man that just link me one away and I'm a DMs. And I book private jet for me. Bad man, even the girl. But yo, one thing me know. It's when a woman feel like you do too much. Bear in mind, Now I say, yo, can you go hear some people, yo, but good woman forget things are rare and things. The point up, we not debate that. What we are debate is, big man, you don't even know this lady. You don't know that girl here, bro. You don't know her from nowhere. You don't meet her yet. You don't know her character. You don't have no type of relationship. People, if you don't know money, why take for go on them private plane here? Because, anybody can book you still, but you have to have the money. But if you know the money, why take for book one of them private plane here? I could have a hard flight. Tens of thousands of US, man. I tell you that. So the girl is utterly confused, people. Like, she did it one day and I say, yo, that nigga booked me a PJ. Fly, come see him up in New York. The girl just thinks, say, yo, at a regular airport should I go, bro? Because, again, just because I talk about we as normal people. But I just try to look at research. So, yes, I feel like I'm travel for them too. The private jet, them people, some of them, you might see one and two of them at the international airport, them also, but a lot of them actually have them private airports where them go to. So that's why she thinks she want to go to Philadelphia International. Like a quick sidetrack, but like share knowledge. When you are gonna meet your private jet, sometime is could be a private airstrip, and it could as well be a private airport where like large commercial planes don't go. So like regular people like me and not gonna see them that we're not gonna see them places there. So that's why she say, yo, call me an Uber and tell me the PJ me I go on. So for example, one of the airport them in New York where the PJ them land at Teterboro airport. So look a game that phone. Anyway, go into them. Again, I forget to Mama because look like Mama can't dress, man. Because even though Paris is forward for your tomboy shit, and she in her, she in her what I call that now, it kind of resemble one college letterman jacket, kind of like them the varsity, the man them wear when they're in high school. You know like when I watch them like high school show and thing here. It's the man them play on the football team or the basketball team. And one of them jacket there, yeah, so that's what them call a varsity jacket. It's neat, man, but not lie. Is me I say. Me no boy hot, but it go with it still, me not lie, you know, and it's a female, so can't knock her. Mama can't dress, she clean. So even though part of her forward past some tomboy shit and thing, she still forward well put together and thing. So you see me I say, so as much as I want to fear mine, you know, yeah man, dog want to dress like a man. Even when she do dress like a man, she still look. I'm gonna say good no, that's on why. God, dog, just like a man, but we must still look good.
So I'm on the PJ. Yo, why the fuck he don't say nothing to me? I'm talking, don't acknowledge me, don't give me a hug, don't say, yo, what's up? So I'm in my mind like, okay, maybe he just a little jet lag, maybe he a little bit, you know, he probably a little tired. It's cool, whatever. I'm just enjoying my little experience, you know what I'm trying to say, on the PJ. So I'm on the PJ, he ain't saying nothing to me. We get off the private jet, and then we go into this little black truck. That's when I'm introduced to about 5 or 6 niggas. I wouldn't even say introduced because he didn't introduce me. He didn't introduce nobody to me. So I'm just sitting there looking like, okay. When I got on the PJ, like I said, he didn't talk to me. He didn't offer a bitch a beverage. I'm thinking I'm about to be with a celebrity. I'm thinking I'm about to, if you got me on a private jet, I'm thinking it's about to be liquor, weed, hella music, this, that, that. Child, he didn't say shit to me. We get in this fucking black car. It's me and 5 or 6 other niggas. Why the fuck is this man playing himself the whole time? No offense, Blue, but your music is not that. We maybe know what, maybe 3 or 4 songs from you. So for you to have played yourself the whole entire time, like, what? It's just like, what the fuck?
So right after that now, several red flags upcoming. Like, bro, me nah lie, brother. You make it hard as a man, brother. Like, you know, you want forward and say, yo, Jano, you know, as a man, you can't see where that forward from and thing. But so far, man just so weird based off of how the female are explaining. And, you know, 3 sides to every story, fear side, theme side, and the truth. But he put out theme side as far as how the whole experience go. He went just put out a little summary at the end of all of this, but we're not get to that yet. But yeah, well, we have to just work off of what she has said for now. And sorry. First of all, like, you can't say I like the girl to go and make it up. You know, she would have screenshot them, boom, to first to receipt them. She reached on a private jet. Every mama, you know, you can't tell some mama grow around enough, man, still enough. Mama say, yo, I'm on a PJ, I never been on a PJ before. I'm on that bitch like, huh. You see me, I say, you're serious, I request just go at her or something like. Mama strong in herself. You see me, I say, I don't know every man can deal with that type of woman either. You get me? I say, because if she, let's say, again, let's assume, let's say as I say she grow around be a man. Saying again, she's from Philadelphia too. Living up here in America, you know, interact with them females here. So you get to understand and realize, depending on where them come from, the settings and surroundings where they grew up in, you know, have a lot to do with how them carry themselves, how them talk, and demeanor, the mannerisms, all that. You realize what she talk very strong. I saw when I go around them type of female, they want to come from Philadelphia, Chicago, New York, them place there, bro. Yeah, you can't be no like a soft youth or no like a, as them would call me, like a bitch nigga and go around them. You see me, I say, but they want to for everybody. I know every man like them type of female there, and that's fine. You see me, I say, I don't know every type of female like certain man either too. So that's fine. But so far, I don't know, I say maybe that's a part of the reason why young Blue moves so weird. Because I hear what she said. She go up on the PJ, she had him up on the PJ, see? At first, I think him put the PJ fear, which was wild. But I mean, I guess if you're in that area, you go back to New York, then sure. But if you fly down upon the PJ and then pick her up and go back up, yeah, you do too much now. But again, she posts her next receipt, she up on the PJ, not just by herself. She flip the camera, you see Pari, and conveniently Pari. I reach over for sitting on the ground and so she put the camera on it. But I understand, oh, this man, brother, you're not a real artist, brother. You're not ready for this thing yet. How is it that me, one of those celebrity, know the little me and the little rules them, bro? First thing first, when I go around certain celebrity, I can't have the phone. That first thing, can't have the phone. You go here, should make reference to something going further, you know, but in doing something that late. So that's why I say, yo, you're not ready yet. You're not supposed to make sure that can willingly have out any little recording device around you, bro. he is a big celebrity. You have an image. But yeah, she make sure put him in a frame so I can say, yeah man, I make this shit up on the plane, see artist there too. Now, moving on with more red flags. Girl say I'll know her knowledge her. You see me, I say, she even go as far as to say, yo, shall I make excuse for him? And I say, you know, maybe in jet lag, you know. Again, when I fly, you know, acknowledge her, you know, talk to her, you know, hug her. Bro, she gonna feel some kind of way. You see me, I say, even if it's a masculine type of female, and the idea is still a female, and gonna feel some type of way, bro. So she sit down there utterly confused. I say, yo, what they going? She sit up on the flight, whole flight, you know, talk to her. So again, it's just weird. Like, you bring me all this way, and you don't put yourself in a female shoes. You bring me all this way, and finally reach. We had all of this texting and talking and laughing over the phone, and then when we reach now and it's like, you just mute. Like, so the girl, I really wonder what they go on. Anyway, she make excuse for him and say maybe in jet lag. Then land, more red flags. She said them land and them going on a black truck. Sound like one of them sprinter van there. Reason why I said that because she said about 5 other nigga in there. Because I'm not thinking go pull up with one like a regular 4-door vehicle and, you know, have so much people. But yeah, more red flag. On a land and she immediately just gets surrounded by a bag of man. One thing we know, again, brother females don't like, again, for the one them who, you know, willing to admit it. Because I guess some female like a bag of mad company. But let's say she don't know you. Words she don't know you, bro. Most females not gonna want you for just as a meet them first encounter. And as a bag of money bring her around. She say shit, you know, about 5 man in the vehicle what them pick them up in her. And Parry not introduce her to not one. So imagine, you don't know man from Adams, man man fly a different state. On a land, yeah man step off and on guy in this black van. You know, you still don't know nobody. 5 other man in there. So about 6 man that now, and you're the only female and nobody not talk, nobody not say nothing. Brother, why female if think? At this point, I will never take my where sitting, brother, because the vibe's just weird, dog.
So after I get out the shower, he's rushing me. He like, come on, we gotta go to dinner. Yo, I lied to y'all not. Remember, y'all saw the screenshot where it said don't be on your phone. Why everybody was at the dinner table like this? Including him. I'm talking, nobody was talking. I'm the only girl at the table. It was very fucking awkward. So me being me, I asked him, I said, so Blue, so what's the reason for you to have brought me out here? Because I saw in his phone that I was under Philly Stylist. So in my mind, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. It was a celebrity. I didn't give a fuck if I was out there to fuck him, to suck him, to fucking be the stylist, bitch. All I knew was, yeah, he about to cut that check. He got that bread. It is what it is. So I asked him, because like, you not talking to me. You not doing it. Like, what am I here for? So I said, so Blue, what am I here for? This motherfucker gonna tell me it gotta be a reason why I had brought you out here. Bitch, what the fuck do you have me out here for? What the fuck do you think I'm just about to be some groupie that's about to follow you around while you do absolutely fucking nothing? I'm so confused, yo. I swear for God, I done hung around a Philly nigga for 24 hours and I done got fed, I done got bought, I done went shopping, I done went out, I done did so much. So I'm asking this man, what am I here for? What do you have me here for? I'm not no groupie. I'm so sorry, Blue, but
yeah, bro, if I did one time, you know, you have to cut a female and, you know, you have to do the whole wine and dine and thing and, you know, really have to make a good first impression and carry up on a couple of dates and, you know, because you're a respectable woman and you know, look to go straight for your front and them way, then, no, bro, them a girl there. But, and again, I don't disrespect me, I disrespect the female because she herself would tell her, like, she did very confused. Because, brother, she's used to being picked up by a man chop him, brother, peel him off a piece of food out of Kyle, feed him, brother, and send him back on yard that he used to, brother. So, like, in a fear man, where's the celebrity now? She say, yo, only difference is she go just get it at a you know, higher standard of living. So she'll get a little more money, she'll get nicer food, and she'll get nicer accommodation. So that alone in a fear mind is supposed to change, you know. But this man look like you know. So they say you can't turn a word now housewife. Again, it's just a saying, when I say this girl is a word. So please. I know some people very literal, fool and ignorant. But anyway.
After we get from dinner, We go to a basketball game. We at the Knicks game. I'ma drop the videos of that. I saw Tracy Morgan and shit. Now that was the highlight of the whole entire thing. But y'all, here's the kicker to that. I get there, this motherfucker talking about, yeah, don't sit next to me, sit next to him because the camera might come on me and I don't want my girl to see you. Bitch, I have a whole fucking girlfriend who know about you and know about me. I don't give a damn about your girlfriend, bitch. Fuck is you talking? Fuck is you talking about, you fucking weird ass bitch? Then, let's be real, when you out with a man, they gonna offer you something. Hey, boo, you want something from the concession stand? You thirsty? This nigga ain't offer me, hey, boo, you want a drink? Ain't offer me shit. Nothing. So I'm so bored. I said, you know the fuck what, girl? I need a drink. I gets up. I goes to the concession stand. I gets me a drink. I think I got me about 2 or 3 drinks. I come back. When I come back to the seat, he like, all right, it's time to go. I'm like, well, damn. Finally had a little bit of fun, and now you want to leave at halftime. We leave at halftime. We go back to the hotel. At this point, like I said, I'm so irritated. He not talking to me. He not doing. He's not a vibe. He's weird as shit. He don't drink. He don't smoke. And I'm not saying that you have to do any of this to be fun, but what the fuck was this? We get back to the hotel. I get to rolling up my weed, y'all, because at this point, I gotta smoke. He like, oh, you really a tomboy. Like, you just such a fucking tomboy.
So she stay so boom now. Them go dinner and as we say, you know that go already. She reach back at the hotel and party. Party now come contradict himself and I tell the girl, boy, yo. Again, people would just go off of your side. We never did it. Just go off of what she has said, but Blue never come up with their own version. So yeah. Yeah, so party didn't know, and I said to her, I said, bro, I said, bro, you come like such a tomboy, like you're such a tomboy and things like you're saying in a video. So mama snap, cause I remember I know she went go come well fleek up like a dolly. Party tell her to forward like a tomboy. She forward like a tomboy, and then Party did it just dunk on the girl and tell her, oh, she come like a tomboy. Again, what me feel like when it happen is, he couldn't handle her. See? The girl energy went stronger than female as a man. And anytime you have a masculine female and a feminine male, I that I go get. You know, I like oil and water. He couldn't match her energy. She couldn't match female energy. See? So that's why now, in a nice way, he might try tell her, say, yo, you know, I move like a man. So he might say, yo, you're so tomboy. So the girl snap, you know, as expected, and me understand. And I diss him. So the girl snap and I diss him now and thing, and I say, yo, what the fuck you have me out here for then? Like, anyway, she said, I left and got a basketball game. Now again, people, it might sound simple, but I like when me and you get up and say, yo, yeah man, we're going to watch a little match over this one. No. When the celebrity got them game here, more while in the court side, well, they're never technically they're right on the court side still, which are the most expensive seat by the way, people. They never the court side per se, they went like 2 rows behind that. But still almost court side, so expensive ticket. Zane, she's very, very confused because she not expect none of this. Them got big, think of the Knicks game then go. Yeah, so, you know, Knicks are the New York NBA team. Big NBA game. Then them got there so. But I already said to her, that's what I'm telling her from earlier from a theory, you know. Then I said maybe as what the other dog when they say that's when I tell her just a certain way. But see, that's when I tell her come back and contradict itself. Because she said party tell her, say, yo, don't sit down beside me when I reach the game. I don't want the camera point for me, and then my wife go see, because enough of these celebrities when they got in game here, camera go reach upon them naturally, because they, as I said, in the court side and them a celebrity and thing. But again, that means say that defeat the whole purpose of you telling her to dress like a tomboy. Because then if you still go as far as tell her, say, don't sit down beside you, and you know want your woman see, then what a bumbuckler to carry the girl got the game for, brother. That makes sense. And this is why the girls are flustered and confused and upset, bro. Bad man, this someone I used to woman.
Like I said, Blue, no offense, but you're a nobody to me. If anything, I feel like I'm more famous than you. Sorry. So anyways, he talking all this shit. I said, so Blue, what you trying to do? I'm a tomboy, I'm this. And like I said in that screenshot, y'all clearly saw where the screenshot said he told me to come on that tomboy shit. So I'm a tomboy because I want to smoke because you got me out here doing absolutely nothing. So I said, Blue, what the fuck you want to do? I start packing up my bags. I'm out. Mind y'all see tongue long as shit. I didn't give a damn what we was down there for. I didn't give a fuck. He didn't even get a chance to even see how anything. I straight said, bro, call me an Uber. I'm out. We in New York. I want to say the Uber had to been to like $300-400. He straight called me an Uber. I took my black ass the fuck home and
Mama just get vexed and I say, yo, bitch. And I tell her, say, yo, she's a very masculine female. Like, you she talk to him, or she talk about him, or she's strong with her attitude and tone. Yeah. Bitch, she have a whole woman. First of all, for her woman even know about she, meaning her woman know she dead, knows she the way I fuck with you right now. So I guess then, whether their morals just, I just said different. But leave it at that, you know, to each his own. But in a fear mind, she's like, yo, if I anything, I may bring you off, me bigger than you. Alright, this I know me go off and say, yo, alright, this a girl a fucking delusional. Yeah, fucking idiot, brother. Like, it's a reason why you get giddy and fly go up there when you link you. Like, it's not the other way around. So let's not get that part twisted. You're not bigger than young Blue. So don't do that. But as me say, if you don't really want to know what type of time should upon, just pay attention to the innuendo them, the hidden language. You hear what she say? She pack up her bags. The girl never want to leave, you know. That's why the girl say, yo, Blue, what you trying to do? If it's just a girl, what they just fed up with you and no business, and obviously she fed up with him, but you can't tell that she might still at that point, brother. She might want some fuck dog or give dog some edge or something. Cause here she keep on and say, yo, I don't give a fuck what I was down there for. Tongue long as shit, and she got, you know, proceed to demonstrate how the tongue long and what the tongue do and thing. So bro, she ready to do anything. She just I wonder how the dog know all her neck all now and tough some hood in there. See me and say the girl is very, as me say, bro, like when I was tell I hear this, the girl is just very confused. So that's why I hear she say, yo, she pack her bags and she ask him, yo, what you trying to do? Cause she don't for anything, and the man over there criticize the girl and call her tomboy and one bugger thing, bro. That's why my girl just want, you see me I say, girl like a fuck and suck, like a combo.
he straight called me an Uber. I took my black ass the fuck home and I went to bed with my fucking girlfriend.
Yeah, dog, you have to hold that elder, bro. Like, the girl utterly confused. Mama said she go over and just go straight to her bed with her over there. Mama, you want some body in her belly. Mama, if you go up and rub clit to blood clot. Jano. So I don't get to more of that story still. Is it? I don't want to get into the wife reaction and everything, but Jano, I expect this video for so long in the first place. So, is it me? I don't want to part few part that, and I just let me know.